Uttarakhand, the land of gods, holds within its embrace a city that thrives at the foothills of the mighty Himalayas. Haldwani Kathgodam, a name that rolls off the tongue with a rhythm as unique as the place itself, stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and urban life. This bustling city, nestled amidst the CUM region, serves as a vibrant gateway to the enchanting hill stations that dot the landscape. Haldwani Kathgodam's significance extends beyond its geographical location. It acts as a crucial link, connecting the plains to the hills, the familiar to the unexplored. For travelers, it is the first breath of fresh mountain air, the initial glimpse of the majestic peaks that beckon them onward. And for the locals, it is home, a place where tradition and modernity intertwine in a captivating dance. The city's unique character is shaped by its dual identity, Haldwani and Kathgodam, each with its distinct flavor. Together, they form a vibrant tapestry of culture, commerce, and natural beauty. As you journey through this essay, prepare to be transported to a place where the air is crisp, the hills are alive, and the spirit of adventure lingers in every corner. Haldwani and Kathgodam, though often spoken of as one entity, possess distinct personalities that add to the city's charm. Haldwani, the larger and more commercially vibrant of the two, sprawls across the valley floor at an elevation of approximately 1,250 feet above sea level. Its streets are abuzz with activity, a testament to its role as a major trading center. The air hums with the sounds of commerce, the aroma of spices from bustling markets, and the laughter of children playing in its parks. Kathgodam, on the other hand, sits slightly higher at 1,210 feet. It is a place where time seems to move at a more leisurely pace. Known primarily as the last railway station in the CUM region, Kathgodam has an old-world charm. Its name, meaning wooden depot, harks back to its history as a timber yard. The rhythmic chugging of arriving and departing trains provides a constant soundtrack to life in this quaint town. Despite their differences, Haldwani and Kathgodam are inextricably linked. They complement each other, each playing a vital role in the city's growth and development. Together, they represent the heart of Haldwani Kathgodam, a place where the energy of the plains meets the serenity of the hills. Haldwani is often referred to as the gateway to CUM, and rightly so. It serves as the entry point for a string of captivating hill stations that lie nestled in the CUM Himalayas. From the serene beauty of Nainital to the verdant slopes of Nainital, the journey to these idyllic destinations begins in Haldwani. But Haldwani's significance extends beyond its role as a transit point. It is a bustling commercial hub, a melting pot of cultures, and a city that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. Its markets are a riot of colors and aromas, offering everything from fresh produce to intricate handicrafts. The city's streets are lined with shops selling traditional Kumoni attire, jewelry, and souvenirs, providing a glimpse into the region's rich cultural heritage. Haldwani is also a center for education and healthcare in the region, with several reputable institutions catering to the needs of the local population and those from surrounding areas. The city's growth and development have been remarkable, yet it has managed to retain its unique charm, making it a fascinating destination in its own right. The air in Kathgodam is thick with anticipation. As the last railway station in the CUM region, it marks the end of one journey and the beginning of another for countless travelers. The railway station itself, with its colonial-era architecture and bustling platforms, is a sight to behold. The rhythmic clatter of luggage trolleys, the excited chatter of tourists, and the mournful whistle of departing trains create a symphony that is uniquely Kathgodam. For many, the train journey to Kathgodam is an integral part of the CUM experience. The scenic rail route, winding through lush valleys and over gurgling streams, offers breathtaking views of the Himalayan foothills. And as the train finally pulls into Kathgodam station, one can't help but feel a sense of excitement for the adventures that lie ahead. Kathgodam, though smaller than Haldwani, plays a crucial role in the region's tourism industry. It is the primary point of arrival for those seeking respite in the cool climes of the CUM hills. From here, buses and taxis ferry visitors to their destinations, their horns echoing through the streets as they begin their ascent into the mountains. Section 5, connecting the hills transportation hub. Haldwani Kathgodam serves as a vital transportation hub, connecting the CUM region to the rest of India. Its strategic location at the foothills of the Himalayas makes it easily accessible by road, rail and air, facilitating the movement of people and goods. Kathgodam railway station, managed by the North Eastern Railway, is well connected to major cities in North India, including Delhi, Lucknow and Kolkata. The broad-gauge railway line that terminates here brings in a constant stream of tourists, pilgrims and locals, contributing significantly to the region's economy. Haldwani, on the other hand, is well connected by a network of roads. National Highway 109 connects it to Nainital, while National Highway 87 provides a vital link to the state capital, Dehradun. The city is also well served by state-run and private bus services offering regular connectivity to destinations within Uttarakhand and neighbouring states. For those travelling by air, the nearest airport is Pantnagar Airport, located approximately 25 kilometres from Haldwani. The airport operates flights to major cities like Delhi, making air travel a convenient option for those short on time. Section 6. A thriving economy from farms to markets. The economy of Haldwani Kathgodam is a fascinating blend of agriculture, trade and tourism. The fertile lands surrounding the city support a thriving agricultural sector, with farmers cultivating a variety of crops, including fruits, vegetables and grains. Haldwani's bustling markets are a testament to its role as a major trading centre. The city's wholesale markets for fruits and vegetables are particularly renowned, attracting traders from far and wide. The city's industrial sector, though still in its nascent stage, is gradually gaining momentum, with small-scale industries manufacturing a range of products. Tourism, however, remains the mainstay of the local economy. Haldwani Kathgodam's proximity to popular hill stations like Nainital, Ranikhet and Almora ensures a steady influx of tourists throughout the year, providing a significant boost to the hospitality, transportation and retail sectors. Section 7. Exploring the wonders tourist attractions. Haldwani Kathgodam serves as the perfect base for exploring the myriad wonders that the CUM region has to offer. From serene lakes and verdant forests to ancient temples and breathtaking viewpoints, there's something for everyone in this picturesque part of Uttarakhand. No trip to CUM is complete without a visit to Nainital, the lake city. Located just 35 kilometers from Haldwani, Nainital is renowned for its scenic Naini Lake, surrounded by hills and dotted with colourful boats. The Naina Devi Temple, perched atop a hill overlooking the lake, is a popular pilgrimage site. For wildlife enthusiasts, Jim Corbett National Park, located about 65 kilometers from Haldwani, is a must-visit. India's oldest national park, Corbett is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including the majestic Bengal tiger. Jeep safaris and elephant rides offer thrilling opportunities to spot these elusive creatures in their natural habitat. Ranikhet and Almora, other popular hill stations in the vicinity, offer a glimpse into the region's colonial past, with their charming bungalows, churches and manicured gardens. The breathtaking views of the snow-capped Himalayas from these hill stations are a sight to behold. Section 8. A tapestry of culture, festivals and traditions. Haldwani Kathgodam is a melting pot of cultures, a place where ancient traditions and modern influences coexist harmoniously. The city's cultural fabric is woven with the threads of Kumani and Garhwali heritage, evident in its music, dance, cuisine and festivals. The people of Haldwani Kathgodam are known for their warm hospitality and their deep respect for their cultural roots. Traditional festivals like Diwali, Holi, Dussehra and Makar Sankranti are celebrated with great fervour and enthusiasm. The city comes alive during these festivals, with streets adorned with lights, homes filled with the aroma of festive delicacies and the air resonating with music and laughter. The Nanda Devi Mela, a religious festival celebrated with particular zeal in the CUM region, is a sight to behold. The festival, dedicated to goddess Nanda Devi, the patron deity of the Himalayas, involves a colourful procession of devotees carrying the goddess's idol through the streets, accompanied by traditional music and dance performances.